Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome into the EGA Advisors live stream pre-market. I hope you guys are having a good day and a good week. If this is your first time here, welcome into the stream. If this is not your first time, welcome back. We have had a pretty interesting week so far. Lots of sideways movement, not much of action going on, but we have all kinds of things that are happening within the markets. But fret not, because we're here to help you navigate this turbulence. And today I want to spend a little bit of time going through how I navigate these kinds of situations, right? Because honestly, it can be a little frustrating, that nothing goes your way, and in a market like this where everything is going sideways, or it's going up very fast and coming down very quickly, it's a situation that is terrible for option traders. But it's perfect for somebody who's a day trader, buying and selling stocks. So my aim today is to kind of go through a couple of things that will maybe assist you guys in feeling a little better about this week, right? Because I know that maybe some people may be down or they may be up. And I'm here to tell you that it's okay. Whatever you're going through is warranted, and whatever that's happening to you is completely normal. In fact, I must say that majority of the time when situations like this occur, I absolutely feel like I am out of sync with the market. And that happens from time to time, right? Remember that, you can never be fully in sync with the market. Sometimes I view it like kind of like a swing, you're kind of like sitting on a swing and you're really happy about it, right? This is me sitting on a swing, by the way. I hope you guys love my extremely good artistry skills. This is my very, very spiky hair. And, the market's always whipsawing back and forth, right? Well, sometimes what happens is you're not in sync with the market. You are in your own bubble and you're just not able to catch the wave, right? And sometimes you're just not a part of the wave. That's okay. I felt like that this week, and that's the reason why I didn't trade. It's okay to take a break. Okay to break. Okay? Majority of you get caught up with always putting your capital out there, and honestly, you get so caught up with flipping your capital that you lose track of the goal. The goal is to be profitable, and so that's a tricky situation. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on with the pre-market analysis. I do have a couple of announcements, but I'm going to do them right after I get through the news and get through the tickers, do the SPY breakdown. Have your tickers keep coming in. I'll try to do as many of them as possible today. Remember, use the official call out where you're putting all the information that's required. I do appreciate each and every one of you being here. Make sure you smash the like button. That's what I only ask for when you're here. And continue to spread good vibes and positivity through your week and through the weekend, because that's what the world needs right now. So let's see here. Wirecard auditors say elaborate fraud led to missing billions. Interesting. So this company went through some real crap recently. I think they lost a chunk of their valuation because of this. So Visa and MasterCard cutting Wirecard ties with the scandal. Sounds like a big time problem there. So Tencent's Twitch streaming rival is hiding in plain sight. Interesting. Futures fluctuate amid virus surge, dollar steady. Singapore's retail investors. Okay, that's Singapore news. Da, da, da. Alibaba CEO replaced. Okay, and Netflix. Da da da. All right, Malaysia plans to travel bubbles. Okay, never mind. Nothing that interesting on Bloomberg here. Let's have a look at Wall Street Journal. Doesn't sound bullish. Doesn't sound bearish, huh? Sounds like right in the middle, honestly. Coronavirus cases, and remember why we do this, guys. We break down the news to get an idea, right? We want to get an idea of what the news is trying to propagate. If the news is bullish, then we know that there are certain things that retail investors will be doing, and if the news is bearish, then we know that certain things retail investors will be doing, right? The news always tries to mislead you. Coronavirus cases pressure Texas, California hospitals. So the second wave is coming in hard. May consumers spending likely rebounded. This is an interesting one, right? But I don't think it's reflective of how the economy will be the whole year. Trump administration asked Supreme Court to scrap the ACA. That's, oh boy, okay. Not going to get into the politics at all. Okay, small businesses raced to spend PPP funds, but pandemic drags on. Ooh, that may be a problem. I think today the House is also going to vote on another stimulus bill where they're going to give another $1,000 or $200, another $1,000 or $1,200, and then prolong unemployment claims, etc., etc. More than likely that should get approved. I'm not sure if it will, but chances are that if they want to keep the economy going strong, they should do that, right? So let's see here. What else is there in the news? She's gonna make it. Da, 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 da. Okay. Okay. Sounds to me like the news is mixed. If we do get a positive ruling on the stimulus package, then it's probably gonna happen sometime either close to the end of the market or after the market. I'm not sure what time it is. Somebody can maybe tell me. Let's see what other news today. We have core PCE price index. Nothing that interesting. This is not that bad. Okay, everything's already out, so it's already broken. Pre-market movers. Vex Art Inc. Whew. Up 70%. Absolutely, right? I'm pretty sure many of you are going to buy this today because it's up 70%. It can go to 150%, right? I'm just kidding. Absolutely do not buy this, guys. Stock that's up 70%, I would stay far away from it. Just not even trying to make any money off it. Like, I'd rather put my money into something that's more worth it, right? Apart from that, in Ino is up to $33 today. This was flagged bullish yesterday by the mod team on OS. Option swing. GE, okay, S&P 500, NASDAQ. Let's see, any big movies here? Not really that many. Okay, cool. Not many big pre-market movers. Let's have a look at the technical update for SPY and see where we're headed here. We are officially now back to the 38.2 fib retracement. I did say we were going to range for a while. There is a very high chance that we continue to range and just go sideways here. If the stimulus package gets unveiled, then maybe you might see a break above this level here, the 23.6. Let's hope that we can break above that. However, some very interesting stocks are at discounts, so make sure that you try and figure it out. Right now, I don't see a bullish or a bearish scenario. The market is extremely mixed, and as I said, this is one of those moments when you just have to wait and let time pass. Personally, I don't feel comfortable even buying a hedge over here, right? We're literally sitting in the middle, and when you're in the middle and you're not at the top and not at the bottom, that means you don't have you have equal opportunity to hit both directions, right? Even though granted that the top is a little less of a value, less of a distance than the bottom, So the risk to reward ratio will favor the bottom, but in obvious stands, you wouldn't take a position here. It just doesn't make sense. I have been holding majority cash. I did take a call position on Baba yesterday after seeing some very inquisitive flow on it. So Alibaba, I bought some August calls for 225, and then it dipped yesterday. But I'm going to be holding them for a while. So let me just make a few announcements here. I hope that you guys are having a great morning. Welcome into the stream, guys. Smash the like button if you're here. Kind of helps me out to get YouTube to recommend these videos to others, and I hope that you are having a great day. Come on, there's no way we got 23 likes today, right? Come on, I'm sure you can make it at least 50. At least 50 likes, guys. Come on. Okay, couple of announcements. First things first. As you guys know, tomorrow at 12 p.m. EST and 9 p.m. PST. Sorry, yeah. Actually, that's 9 a.m. My bad. It's 9 a.m. 9 a.m. So that's a bit of a typo there. I apologize. At 12 p.m. and 9 a.m. PST, so 12 p.m. EST, 9 a.m. PST, we will be releasing the next seats for the 5 Days of Growth program for the course, the mentorship course. Okay. I want to stress it very, very importantly that this is the last time that we're going to be having this price for the course. You're going to get 40% off for the course. If you're an option swing member, this price will never come back again. And for non-option swing members, I highly recommend you to get in at this price. There are going to be limited number of seats. I'm not going to say how many, but there are a very limited amount of seats. So I highly recommend you to set an alarm. And tomorrow at 12 p.m. EST or 9 a.m. PST, you got to get on to optionswing.com and click on the buy button. Okay. Remember that when you're a non-option swing member, this course comes with 1 week free of option swing. Okay. So the way you get access to this is you click on optionswing.com, you click on join now, and then it brings you to this page where you have the plans. You scroll down and you can click on, this will be changed to buy now, and then you can get into the course. Okay. Now, the other thing is, in case you're wondering what comes with the course, we basically give you an introduction to the financial markets. We give you option strategies that are, extremely easy to use. A systematic approach taught to you in a classroom setting. I teach you my trading style and how I use it to succeed. And if you want to know more about what kind of success the students have been having, go check out our testimonials. We have a bunch of them on the channel, on my Instagram. There are some really, really beautiful testimonials done by our members. Just some of them have been posted today as well. So like this one, for example, if you're struggling with trading concepts and want to learn how to be an effective trader, I strongly urge you to sign up for our next course with Neutral Tyrant. This week has been eye-opening. There were simple concepts I was missing. His classes really explained the basics in an easy to understand format. Your portfolio will thank you. So check it out. You'll also get paper trading guidance. You'll get how to leverage and integrate the option swings watch lists and bots into trade plans. And recordings of all these meetings will be sent to your email along with quizzes for better learning retention. Okay. And then I just want to take this moment to kind of go through our core principles for the Everyday Growth Advisors, where we learn, compound, and grow together. Our main focus is to use probability and statistics to derive a sustainable and systematic trading system. We want to improve the odds of success through risk management and put capital preservation at our forefront. This is what we go through in the class. Also, I aim to fix psychological barriers that may trick your brain into auto mode. We call this cognitive dissonance. Okay. And also, without further ado, I'd like to announce that this live stream is going to take a new direction as well. So in addition to the regular live stream program that we have, now Mondays are going to be called New Ticker Mondays, where we announce a selected ticker that we chose on Friday for the week. And we discuss possible plays and dive into the technical analysis of it, this will be starting next Monday. So today we will be choosing a ticker, okay? And on Wednesdays, we're going to be having Fundamental Wednesdays, where the said ticker is going to be discussed. And we're going to do a quick fundamental analysis on the ticker to show you how to do fundamental analysis. I like this concept because I started the EGA, the Everyday Growth Advisors, as an educational platform. And I want to be able to do this on a weekly basis so that we can bring more to the table. Apart from just YouTube channels that are constantly berating about trade ideas and giving you no educational material whatsoever, but kind of constantly giving you ideas on where to make money, I want to teach you how to fish, okay? On Fridays, we'll have Recap Fridays, where we recap the play of the selected week, and we choose a new ticker for the week together. So for Monday, we'll be choosing that ticker today. And so this is a new direction that we'll be taking with the YouTube channel. If you like this new direction, I would really appreciate it if you leave a couple of fire emojis in the chat. And also make sure you smash the like button if you like that new setup. Okay? Dope. Make sure you click subscribe if you're new. Welcome in. Nice having you guys here. I'm going to answer some of the non-ticker questions first, and then we'll get to the tickers. So let's get it. Hey, what up, Tyrone? Well, it's actually Tyron, but it's all good. What's up? Good morning, T. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Buenos dias. Buenos dias, papa. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. I'll get to the tickers in a second. TGIF. Smash the like button if you haven't done it yet. Hell yeah. Thank you very much for that, Shri. We out here. Yes, we are indeed. Let's make some money today. Good morning, Jason. How are you doing? Welcome back. Morning, morning. Ticker, ticker, ticker. Migs, what's up? Good morning. Boston? No, Singapore. I'm in Singapore. Are we in the bear market now? Absolutely not. A bear market would be a 20% drop from highs. We are not there yet. New York City? No, I'm in Singapore. Okay, ticker, ticker. I was on the wrong side of every trade yesterday, but that don't get me down. That is the right mentality to have, dear sir. I hope that you remain resilient and keep being positive with that mindset. That is what you need to succeed as a trader. Don't let losses get you down, and be strong. Okay. All right, let's see what else is here. Got jokes today. Welcome back, JR. Top of the morning. How are you doing? Okay. Yeah, absolutely. If you put all of these like this, like thoughts on long term, and you give me a long list, there's no way that I will break all of them down. Please choose one. Thank you. Smash that like button. Yes, absolutely. Let's see. Okay. At this price. Yes, at this price. Make sure to drop a like if you guys enjoyed the stream. Welcome in, Greg. If I work during the week, how will that affect my ability to be in the EGA course? It will not affect your ability because the recordings will be sent to your email. You can review them every day at your own free time and then do the quiz. And all questions are not asked on the Zoom. The questions are posted on Discord. And so you will be able to see all the questions that are asked by students. That way, everybody has a fair chance. Pick Marvel as your ticker. Okay, I guess we'll do Marvel then next week. Let's see. Marvel? Okay, let's see. Is it this one? MRVL? Let's have a look. Is it interesting? Oh, maybe. Ooh, maybe actually. Maybe it might. This might be. Oh, maybe. I don't know. Not really that interesting, but interesting. New to this channel, good info so far. Thank you, I appreciate you. Hi, all registered to. Okay, there you go. This new direction is fire. All right, awesome. Tyrant is gold. Cool. Tyrant sound cooler. I look forward to signing up for this class. We look forward to having you there. Good morning. Class will start on Monday this week or next week if we sign up tomorrow. Thank you. If you sign up on Saturday, which is tomorrow for me, well, it must be the start of Friday for you guys. So it's the end of Friday here for me. It's 8:51, so it's the start. So you sign up on Saturday, classes start on Monday. Classes start on the 29th. And they are at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Eastern time and 9 p.m. PST. Yes, I'm pretty sure that's the timing. You rule. I donated, but it says that I did not, but I swear I did. Huh. I am sorry, but it's not showing me that. Let me refresh and see what's going on. Thank you for explaining. See you at the bell, Mr. Neutral. Absolutely. Okay, let me refresh the stream here and see what's going on. Okay, let's have a couple of ticker recommendations for Monday. The ticker that gets most and okay, so hold on, before you even recommend it, let me do a kind of a format. So ticker, new ticker Monday, and then type your ticker. Put your tickers in the chat. The ticker that gets the most hits will be discussed on Monday, and we'll do it for the week. And I'll kind of see which top 3 that you guys choose, and out of the 3, I'll choose the most interesting one. Okay. So if you have a ticker that you want me to do, just put the ticker in there. Later, I'll choose the top 3, the one that's called out the most. Okay. There's 130 of you, so go and put your ticker in the chat right now, and then we'll discuss it on Monday. If I don't see enough of tickers in there, I'm gonna choose one. So up to you guys. All right. I was briefly gonna discuss a couple of things to avoid being down in this market, which I kind of did earlier. But I also want to remind you that losses are part of your trading journey, okay? And with this market that's so erratic, you need to be able to come up with a strategy to survive quickly, okay? I feel like many people get caught up with making money and they forget that, you know, it's all a matter of perspective, okay? So I would like to do a little bit of a sneak preview of, so I'm going to give you guys a little tidbit of what I teach during the EGA mentorship course, okay? Right before I get into the tickers, because the tickers are never ending, and I'm sure that we'll get through them at some point, but I want to do this educational material and concentrate on the educational material because I feel like this is more valuable for you guys. So let me go through something real quick with you guys. Okay, when you walk into the stock market, the stock market is like a casino. Okay, now in the casino, you know that, sorry, let me delete this off. In the casino, you know there is rule number 1, which is the only rule. The house always wins. Okay, so if the house always wins, that means the house has a 51% edge over you. Now, the reason why the house always wins is because institutions and bigger funds like banks institutions, right? And banks and other hedge funds and mutual funds. They have access to a lot of information. Now, they don't just get access to the information, they pay lots of money for it. Okay? And when they pay lots of money for it, these, information people give them the information, right? I know this for a fact because I have met a Goldman Sachs banker before, and he used to tell me a story about how his boss used to go to the office at 4 a.m. and from 4 a.m. nonstop until 6 a.m. there would be people walking in and out of his office nonstop. At 6:15 briefly, his boss would come out and announce the trading strategy to the floor. Now, if that doesn't tell you anything, I don't know what does. Okay, these banks and bankers and investment banks, mutual funds, institutions, they have access to all kinds of stuff. Okay, now we don't. And what you can do is most of the time take an educated guess. If you take an educated guess, you can use probability and statistics, which is the EGA course cornerstone, to increase the chances of your success. Now, majority of the time, what people end up doing is they take a stock A at $10 and they buy it, okay? And then they set a stop loss at $9 and a take profit at $11, okay? The total risk to reward outcome of this trade is 1:1 because they lose $1 to make $1, okay? And this is a sure shot way to be in the casino scenario. Because over here, the more number of the trades that you take, you lose. So the more number of trades you take, the more money you lose. Because every time you risk $1, you make $1. So the chances of you is literally 50-50. Over a long number of trades, you lose more than you win, you're screwed. Okay? Now, if you want to know how do you become the casino, well, that's something for the EGA mentorship course. And if you want to learn how to do that, then join the mentorship course. This is what I teach. How do you position yourself to take advantage of that situation? Okay. I just wanted to give you a little bit of a idea of what are the kinds of things we discuss and how we discuss them. All right, let's get to these tickers. Exactly 30 minutes. I'm going to take a quick sip of water here if you guys don't mind. Just give me a minute here. All right, I'm back. Sorry, my throat was a little parched there. All right. I had to do it, man. If I don't tease you guys, you won't understand what are the kinds of things that I'm teaching, right? You need to understand what the value of the course is, okay? And I didn't mean to tease you. All I meant to tell you was this is what I teach. And if you want to find out more, then you can have access to all of that and more. That is just like a literally like maybe 2% of the material, right? Okay, let's get these tickers. Smash the like button if you haven't, by the way. Welcome into the stream. I hope you guys are having a great day. Make sure you click subscribe if this is your first time here. We do this every Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. This stream is going to take a different direction coming Monday. And I hope that you guys will like it. Okay. All right, let's get this done. So T call 32, 731. Let's have a look at what's going on there. AT&T 32 call 731. You're at the end of July. That's a lot of time. That's good. $32 call. That's going to be up here. Unfortunately, I see a bearish formation on T-Mobile right now. Sorry, AT&T. My bad. Making lower highs, making lower lows, right? Looks like a downtrend to me. What more recently? There was a death cross on the 1 hour, the 50 moving over the 200 crossover. Candlesticks are using this as resistance. If the stock comes up to breathe, it has to break above this level with good momentum in order to hit your target. I would recommend to sell your contract and take your loss and move on. Take the L. Morning, DS, $2.50. What is DS? It sounds like a stock that doesn't have a 10 billion market cap. And remember, we don't cover stocks with, yep, absolutely. Unfortunately, we won't be covering stocks that are less than $10 billion in market cap. I'm sorry about that, Chris. It's just not good business to do trades with less than 10 billion market cap, and the reason being because these kinds of stocks get pumped and dumped very quickly. Okay, come on guys, I'm pretty sure we can reach 100 likes today. I'm pretty sure. All right, CLX 225 calls 87. CLX Clorox. Let's see, 225 for 87. Yeah, you have a lot of time. Yeah, I think you're good. Looks nice. Looks like a steady, nice climb, right? Nice bounce here. Yeah, I think you should be okay. Hold the contract. Wait for it to break out of here. If you see any bearish movement, then wait for the bounce on this level here, right? You could even choose to add more contracts there. All right. RMD 195 calls 717. RMD ResMad. A bit too bought up in my opinion. 717 also a pretty close strike there. That's what, about 3 weeks out, right? Personally, I don't like it. Too overbought, right? And if you're in the position already, I recommend take your profits and leave. Very overbought here. It could easily drop and there goes your profits with it. So if you are in it, take your profits right about now. It can go higher, but I wouldn't recommend holding it. That's all I'm saying. I like to be safe rather than sorry. Or what you can do is set a trailing stop or set a stop limit here. If the stock moves higher, move your stock limit up, your stop limit up, right? And keep moving it up every time the stock moves higher. Simple, easy plan. Easy peasy. Duncan 38 call 626. Not Duncan, sorry, DraftKings. I keep saying the wrong ticker, guys. Help me. I must be hungry or something. I swear. I keep mistaking DNKG. Oh, it's, wait, is it really? Wait a minute. DNKG? Oh no, it definitely is DKNG, right? I swear I read it. Come on, Gary, what you doing to me, bro? You're like DNKG. I thought it was Dunkin' Donuts, bro. Okay, never mind. All right, DKNG. That's DraftKings, right? Okay, cool. 38 call 626. Bruh, come on, dude. Are you kidding me, bro? The contract's expiring today. How are you gonna reach up 38? Maybe, I don't know, if God himself comes down and buys the contract from you. You never know. It's expiring today, my dude. What you doing? You should have sold that contract a long time ago. Apple put 355 for 7.2. That's next week. 355. Ugh. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, seems probable. But then again, I also think Apple might just continue running here. It's an interesting situation nonetheless. Um, this one's kind of up to you. I can't really tell you what I feel about this one because there's an equal. Look at where Apple is. It's like here. It can go there. It can go there. It can go either way. It's a coin flip, 50-50 literally. And your expiry is really close. If you are indeed bearish, I recommend to roll that contract out. MGM 710 2050 call. 2050 is up here, so you're betting on the resistance here and 710. I don't think so, but it's up to you if you want to hold it. I don't think so. I think the stock is bearish, and it's going to continue to be bearish with lockdown fears. So unless something crazy news comes out, it ain't going to be a good look for this. Okay. Holding PayPal 170 call 710. Hold on or roll over. Okay, let me have a look. PayPal 170 call 710. 170 call 710. Well, you're in the money. I would hold it. I like it. I like the movement of the stock even. Looks good. Personally. Once you get to next week, you can roll it over. Yeah, this one, GME, also sounds like a less than 10 billion stock. Yep. GameStop puts, sure, if you want to, why not? I wasn't, okay. AAL $12 puts expiring 7/2. $12 puts expiring 7/2. Maybe. Sure, I think that's okay. Disney 105. Yeah, I have Disney's, so I'm holding Disney puts. I think it's a good one. Boeing 185 calls. I don't know. That's a little shaky to me. CLDR. There was a lot of bullish flow on this one yesterday. You forgot to mention if it's a call or a put, but I'm gonna guess it's a call. Caldera. 1350. Yeah, I would hold on to it. Absolutely. Bud 49 calls 710. Bud 49 calls 710. What is this? Huh. Sure, hold on to it. You're in the money. And looks like it bounced too. Nice little bounce there. I think so. I think you should hold it. I would. Baba, I'm bullish. I just said it. Micron. Okay. Let's take a break from the tickers for a little bit. Let's see over here. What's going on here on the bottom? You speaking facts, bro. That's how it is. Absolutely. Okay. Hello, you hungry, bro? Quick buck, you know what I mean. Day rated buy today. I'm actually watching it to see. Gold Super 40. I don't have a call on it. Do you think we should buy iron condor spreads due to market conditions? Man, it certainly looks like our iron condor would be a great play, but the problem is how would you set it up, right? You can definitely do it. It's just you have to go really out, right? You'd have to go like this almost. This is how you'd have to do it, right? Call put, call put. The thing is, when you get such a wide iron condor, it's not very. It doesn't give you a very good risk to reward ratio. What you should actually think of is when volatility comes back in, you do an iron butterfly, and then what that does is when the IV dies out, you make a shit ton of money, right? That's another way you could look at it. I hope that we can get to 100 likes today, guys. If you come for the stream, the only thing I ask for is for you guys to smash the like button. That's all. Okay. Yep. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of tickers here. I'll have a look at them in a little bit, and at the end of the day, at the end of the stream, I'll tally all these up, and I will see which one has the most votes. It seems like Boeing's gonna win. Yeah, I think Boeing is gonna win. Come on, guys! If you want to vote on what we do on Monday, do a use this format and type new ticker Monday with your ticker of choice of what you want me to go through next week. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's go back here. CLTR MU 52 calls 724. Ooh, interesting. I do like the movement of this one, but I wouldn't take the calls unless they broke out of this zone here. Oops. A break above this would give me the call entry. 252. I do like the bounce play though. It seems interesting for sure. Volume's starting to come back in just a little bit, but it's still relatively low and flat. OBV's kind of dying down and coming back up a little bit. Yeah. Beyond 72143 call. You're in the money. Hold that contract. I think it's a good one to hold. Beyond looks like it bounced really nicely here. Volume seems steady now. CAG 36 calls 717. 36 calls 717. Up here. Wow. Unlikely, but if you are betting on a Hail Mary, then sure. 36 is really far out the money. Granted that you have like 2 weeks, I think that it's gonna be difficult. Coddy 777. Oh, Coddy. What is Coddy? Sounds like a less than 10 billion stock. Yep, it is. Beauty company founded by Francois Coddy with its subsidiaries. Might be Coty. I don't know. I might be pronouncing it wrong. Unfortunately, buddy, I won't go through that one. Edward, I'm sorry. We do only 10 billion above here. Good morning. Okay. Good morning. I'm so sorry, but I didn't receive any donation, so it doesn't say anything here, and I tried to refresh the stream. But if you did, I appreciate it so much. Thank you if you did. It's a thought that counts, honestly. If you guys ever wanted to donate to the stream and you feel, that you want to buy me a coffee or something, you can use a super sticker or a super chat to do so. And that would, be able to give you that ability. Okay. Apple 370 call 724. That's a bit far out, my friend. Apple 370 is a bit far. Actually, it's not that bad. I would hold it. Personally, I would hold it. Intel 60 call 18 September. If you're asking about a certain ticker, you gotta give me a strike and the expiry. I can't do any thoughts kind of a breakdown because it's not possible. I can't do both the bullish and the bearish case. You got to give me a outcome and then I can validate and tell you what I feel about it. Intel 60 call. So use the ticker breakdown like how these people are doing. Use the same format. Use the ticker, use the strike, the call, the everything. You got to put it out here so that I can see it. Intel 60 call 18 September. Intel 60 call 18 September. Intel 60. Oh yeah, that's hold that one for sure. Absolutely. I like the bounce play, even though it's bearish. Even though it's bearish, I think that it can reverse back here. I think so. I think it can reverse. The reason why Intel is selling off is because also the lack of partnership with Apple and stuff like that. I think Apple is choosing to go with their own brand chips and stuff like that. So, but I mean, I think that buying the contract for a far out expiry like that might be okay. All right, GPS just did a deal with Kanye. Has a great business model. What is GPS? I'll go look up GPS real quick. GPS. Gap? Oh, okay. Interesting. Huh. $3 billion market cap. Let's see. New ticker, this the truth, da da da. GPS, July 10, $12 call. That's what was just, it's below 3 billion. It's below 10 billion though, Adriana. I'm so sorry. QQQ 72,256 call. Well, let's have a look at QQQ. QQQ 72,256 call. That's a bit of a far strike though. No. Absolutely not. Absolutely not that one. I'm sorry. Bank of America 27 call 1218. Yeah, probably. I mean, it's a leap. Come on. Amazon 2790 717. 2790 717. Well, maybe, but risky. This one's risky. Oracle 5672. Oops. 56472. Possible, but yeah, definitely possible. I mean, I see a bounce. Volume coming back in a little bit. I think so. Maybe possible. eBay 50 call. All right, let's see what else is here. Oops. All right. I did go through yours, man. Wow. I've been selling cover calls lately. Easy money. Absolutely. That's a great thing to do in a market like that as well. How do get the chart and technical analysis? I'm not sure how to answer that question. BA got some bad news. S&P bearish 1 minute Tuesday to Friday. I guess we're bearish at open. I haven't looked at it. Doesn't look that bad yet. All right, cool. Gotcha. Morning. Gaps because of the latest news. That's probably because of the Kanye thing. Is that what you're talking about, Byron? I have a feeling that's what it is, right? What's the preferred expiry date for y'all? I heard further out and closer expiry date. So okay. Well, if you want the full breakdown of what trades you should use, what expiries, join the EGA course. But if you want to ask me for a specific ticker and you're giving me a specific scenario, then the best I can do is to tell you whether your contract is right or wrong and how far out you should go, right? Which is what I do. If let's say I tell you, oh, okay, your expiry is nearing, I'll be like, okay, you should roll it out further, at least a week or 2 or 3, right? Okay. eBay, went through eBay already. All right, let's see what else here. Space, SPCE, 1650, 717. Very possible that this stock makes a run up again, but I personally don't want to play it, but I think that it's possible. So it's entirely up to you. I think the strike's okay. You just gotta be patient, I guess. You didn't go through eBay. I did go through it. Okay. And I went through QQQ as well. Gotta be patient, brother. You gotta be patient, man. I mean, there are a lot of tickers out here. Even if I did miss it, I'm sorry, man. It's a lot of things to process at the same time. Okay. Bro, come on. I already went through that ticker. Work 3350 call. July 17. Work 3350 call. 3350. July 17th. July 17th. Well, possible. But I do see bearishness. Like, I see bearish pressure on the stock. Right? Volume's also kind of looking iffy here. Volume's also decreasing, kind of, right? This is a tricky one. I wouldn't buy calls on it, especially at this level here. GNC $20 calls expiring in January. I know they're closing. Oh boy. Are they really closing? Wait, what? You said GNC and you're buying $20 calls on them? Why would you do that though if they're closing? Is it because they're cheap or what? I mean... Can you please repeat eBay $50 call 717? Come on, buddy. You gotta be a bit sharper than that, man. $50 call 717. Sure, I would hold it. It looks bullish to me. Nice bounce on the moving averages. As I said earlier, looks like it might make a break soon, especially since earnings are coming. All right. Facebook 240 717. Facebook 240 717. Yeah, it looks possible. I do like it. I am in Facebook calls as well, but a small position. I have 235 calls, but I think it's possible that Facebook goes and attempts to break all-time high again. I think it's possible. Okay. Yeah, Byron. I'm going to go do more research about that and find out what's going on there. Peloton, 58 calls. J10? What's J10? Peloton. Wow, this stock just on the rip. I wouldn't hold these contracts. I would sell them and take profits on them, Charles. It looks overextended to me personally, but it's up to you if you want to hold it. I think it can go farther. Bill $50 call 717. What is Bill? Bill Com Holdings. 50. Wait, what? Are you sure you got the right ticker? Doesn't seem right to me. CRM 195 call 731. CRM 195 731. I do like the idea, but I think that your strike might be a bit too a bit too close. So the reason, because I feel like CRM is a very, first of all, it does move pretty quickly, but it's not going to go exactly like this, right? It's not. So it's going to make its like little itsy bitsy spider thingy. It might get rejected here and then come back to a moving average and then go back up again and then try to hit it. I think you need more time for that. That's my personal opinion. Hey, quick question on the OBV. When it's overlaid, what time frame to see if it's bullish or bearish? Seems to change based on time frame. Absolutely, yeah. This is a great question, JR. So essentially with on balance volume, when I'm looking at it on the 1 hour chart, it looks very blown up, right? And it's kind of following the momentum of the stock. Now, what I do for confirmation when I'm planning to enter and exit is I look on the 5 minute and then I follow it on the 1 minute, right? Okay, so on the 5 minute, you can see that volume has been somewhat accumulating, and then there was a big like drop, right? You can't see it, but I can. You see that right there? So then you got to go validate, right? Is this really true? How is OBV reacting here? Go into 1 minute and you can see truly volume came out, right? Because you can see from the percentage here, right? So you have the percentage up here at 2.5% and here roughly about 1.25%. So you know that volume's flowing out of this stock. If you want to look further, you can look on the 15 seconds and then you can see for sure that some volume flowed out, right? But then there was also someone sneaking in buys throughout the last the last 30 minutes of the market. So that's how you can look at it to ascertain what's going on majority of the time. All right. I think I said Billy. Okay. Yeah, I definitely read Bill, but let's see again. Billy 50 call. Yeah, it definitely says Bill. 50 call 717. Billy. Wow, very bullish stock. This is one that got a stake of it got bought by a Chinese company, right? I'm pretty sure. Possible, but I think your strike once again is too near. It's not gonna go like that directly. It might do its thing and that and this, and then it's gonna take some time to get there. Your strike might cut it, but I think that by the time it gets to the strike, your theta would have drained the contract to oblivion. That's what I feel. All right. I'm going to stop right there. Absolutely. Ben, I'll make you a mod, sure. No problem. I need more mods anyway. All right. Do a good job, Ben. Make me proud. I'm going to stop right there for today. Thank you guys for streaming in and tuning into my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Click the like button. We do this every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm going to review all the tickers, and I'm going to choose a ticker for Monday. It seems like Boeing's going to win, I think, just by looking at these here. Baba, let's see. Boeing. No other Babas and no other Boeings, no other Facebooks. Yeah, it seems like Boeing's going to win. And you know what? I think Boeing's a good stock to cover. Yeah. All right, so then it's done. We're going to do Boeing, guys, on Monday. I hope you guys are looking forward to it. See you on Monday. Have a good weekend. And we'll see you then. Ta-ta. Peace out.